So Apprentice is an intelligent and spatial AR system for life sciences to execute batches and procedures faster with higher reliability. So what we do together in partnership with RealWear is we are all about manufacturing life-saving medicines for patients around the world. So life sciences is a really interesting space because there's different types of environments that our customers manufacture drugs in. If it's being done in a clean room, we love the stock HMT. We have a custom configuration for it so it can be used in a clean room. But then we have other customers that are in the active pharmaceutical ingredients world, the API world, where they're dealing with potentially combustible chemicals in the air. And so the intrinsically safe device is phenomenal in this area and one that we've deployed successfully around the world now because you're using it in a very difficult and stringent environment that requires potentially explosive proof ratings.